we want to give a special thanks to Moose for providing us with these toys. It's a beautiful day to take a walk in the woods. I'm Froggy, and today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Disney Doorables. This is the biggest blind box I have ever seen. 78 to collect across Series 1. Behind every door, a surprise is in store. Unlock the surprise! I am so excited. Let's do this. Time to see our Doorables. Wow! This door had mini doors on the inside and each one is numbered. So let's start with door number 1. There's another box inside. Let's see what's inside of it. How fun is this? What's inside the box? Confetti! All right, there's gotta be some other surprises. Yay! We found some. Unlock our latest surprise with glittering eyes. And there's a key. It's a little Disney key. That is so appropriate since everything's like a little door. Let's see if it will fit. Nope. Okay, let's just do this the old-fashioned way. Remove the plastic and open the little door. Inside, we have 2 little tiny Doorables. Finn Rider from Tangled and Roz from Monsters, Inc. She's rare. It comes with a tiny little doll stand. That's pretty cool. Or should I say figure stand. And a collector's guide that tells you the collection, name, and availability of each figure. Must find Mother Gothel. But she's rare. But you know, Roz is rare and we found her, so come on, Mother Gothel. Mayor Lionheart. Look at how Roz is looking at him. And ultra rare Tink. She's all glittery. Could this be our Mother Gothel? No, wait, is that a duplicate? Another Mayor Lionheart from Zootopia. And the Blue Fairy, who is rare. In our last blind box, we have Blue Dress Belle, which is rare, and Mike from Monsters, Inc. Where's your paperwork? I love Roz. Oh, look, this one has something extra. It has another figure? Yeah, on the back of the box, it says 1 in 5 packs will have a bonus figurine. Awesome! Could this be Mother Gothel? Let's see. Nick Wilde, ultra rare. Let's open another door. What's behind door number 2? The surprises continue with, wow, Disney treats. Look at Mickey. Ooh, I'll take these. Door number 3. Anybody home? I am loving all of this Disney stuff. Yay! More Doorables! Here are 3 playsets. This is Jumbo's Cafe from Zootopia with an exclusive Judy Hopps. This is Alice's Teacup with an exclusive Alice. And Rapunzel's Creative Corner with an exclusive Rapunzel. Let's get these out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, Rapunzel's Creative Corner has a tower and some of her golden hair on the side. The door opens. You get a Rapunzel minifigure, a mirror, a hairbrush, and a mystery figure. I wonder who is inside. It's Jumbo with a little frying pan. I think that actually belongs to Rapunzel. Jumbo's Cafe is really cute. We have a countertop, a popsicle. The popsicle can stand up on the countertop, and you can place it inside. Aw, that makes a very cute scene. Here's Judy with those glittery eyes. And our surprise mystery figure is... what's inside? Oh, wow, what is that? It's a parking meter. And the mystery figure is... that looks like Anna. Anna meeting Judy Hopps. That would be a really cool movie. Alice's teacup is pink and yellow. The little door opens. There we go. You can see a bunny rug on the floor. It comes with a clock, a little tiny bottle, and Alice. Our mystery surprise is... oh, what was that? It was pink. Oh, I think it's a tea. No, it's a teapot. And the mystery figure is... Roz.
Door number 4.
There are so many different playsets. Let's make a challenge. Little Froggy.
Yep.
I challenge you to build the ultimate Disney Doorables playset world.
Challenge accepted.
Yes, I'm so gonna win this. On your mark, get set, go! Done! So let's take a look at our Disney Doorable world.
I have a slide and a bridge. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
That's nice, but let's take a look at mine. I've got a sidewalk. Pretty cool, huh? What? You don't think my sidewalk is awesome? How about all of you out there vote? My sidewalk or her slide and bridge?
My slide and bridge.
Vote in the comments down below.
Door number 5.
Wow, these are multi-stack playsets. Rapunzel's Tower and Frozen Ice Castle. They include an exclusive figure and a secret surprise door. On the back of the box, it says mix, match, and stack. There is spinning decor, Rapunzel slide, and the secret surprise door. On the Frozen Ice Castle, you can chill out on the swing, and there is a crystal ice staircase. Out of the box, some light assembly may be required, but they are made to connect together, so it's actually kind of fun. Now this is all one piece. There is a door down here on the bottom that opens to a tiny room, and if you turn the snowflake, it opens a secret door. Upstairs, there is an awesome balcony, perfect for singing. Let it go, let it go, let go of your paperwork. I don't think that's the right song, Roz. But the doors up here open, there's a swing, and the swing has a little tiny peg in it, so the Doorables will stay where you put them. Anna is wearing a different dress. We have some frozen furniture and other fun accessories. Rapunzel's tower is really cool. There is hair everywhere. This part is all one piece, and here I believe is a hidden door. Let's see, can we open it? Okay, that's a normal door. So maybe we have to turn the little sun to reveal a fun scene. The sun at the top spins too. There is a little art gallery on the side. Look at all of the little art accessories. They're so tiny. And we have a Rapunzel with a new look. And we can use some of the other Rapunzel playsets to expand our tower. And I can move the sun right over here. Or I can just keep adding on to turn my tower into a castle.
Door number 6 is a large door, so hopefully there's a big surprise.
The Mega Stack playset. This has Mad Hatter's Tea Shop, Belle's Bookshop, and Elsa's Ice Rink, with an exclusive minifigure to go with each theme. Yay! I have Elsa in her pretty blue dress, Belle in her golden gown, and the Mad Hatter. Love the hat. Wow, Elsa's place is like double the size of the other ones. There is a lot of room on top. We have a secret door. Everybody's here. And when you close that, turn it, there is the ice rink. If you place Elsa on the peg, you can turn it on the side so she can ice skate. That's fun. There's a little door on the side. And oh, look at that! It makes a slide! There's another door up here, a little balcony. And on the inside, there is a lot of room to play, and the high ceiling gives it a lot of light. Belle's bookshop is 2 floors. One has a glittery door and it says "Be Our Guest" on the side, and the other has a rose. It's kind of like a stained glass window. The Mad Hatter's Tea Shop definitely has a lot going on. I see 3 doors. This one, it doesn't even let you go inside. It's a mirror. Let's try this one. Yeah, that one works. So does the one upstairs. The roof has a little window and there is a little balcony off to the side. On the inside, there is a large room on the bottom, then a single room and a small one in the roof. It comes with a bridge so you can connect the playsets, making it easier to travel between worlds. And there are some pretty cool accessories like a chair for the Mad Hatter, a rose for Belle, and a fountain and a pile of snowballs for Elsa. And they all have a little hole on the bottom so you can place them on the pegs around the playset. Now Elsa can skate around the fountain. I really like how all of the pieces and playsets are compatible. So you can have fun building by theme, or you can mix it up a little.
Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Disney Doorables. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now. You know I gotta try to go through this door, right? Let's go through door number 6.
You think you'll never go down, never go down.
It was pretty nice in here. Yeah, well, you know what? I'm gonna take a little time to go and explore what's behind this door, so see y'all later.